All that rain grew all these weeds up, bro. I gotta go through here and kill all that. Peppers going in, peppers behind that, tomatoes going crazy, insane, beets. It's hard to see because the grass got the lettuce, okras, corn, beans, tomatoes. Look at that eggplant over there. Not eggplant, butternut squash. Butternut squash going crazy. Got them beans down. I got some cleaning up to do. Yeah, some cleaning up to do. Trying to get at them. About to get it cracking. Maintenance. Just a little maintenance. Gotta be done. It's a part of the process. Ain't too hot. But I'm gonna get out of here before it do. Cucumbers, eggplants, carrots. Got them rows cleaned up a little bit more. Look a lot better. Lettuce, spinach, beets, okra, corn, beans, collard greens, zucchinis, 2, squash, 2. Seen them earlier. Got some peppers coming up. It's good. Got them peppers, showed them earlier. Tomatoes, marigolds, and flowers in the back. All tomatoes over there. That big boy, butternut squash.